Hi dear students, today we are going to do working with language question number 3 of the tsunami. Dear students, this question is based on active and passive voice. First of all, we should learn what is a voice. A voice is that form of verb which tells us about the status of subject and object in a sentence. Then what is active voice? A verb is said to be in active voice if our subject is active. What is passive voice? A verb is said to be in passive voice if our subject is passive. With the help of given examples, we will try to understand. Meghna was swept away. Here Meghna is our subject. Is Meghna doing some work? No, not at all. She is doing nothing. She was swept away by the waves. The waves swept away Meghna. Now you look at the given columns A and B in the table. Column A, Meghna was swept away. In this sentence, Meghna is subject and Meghna is passive. She is not doing anything. Now look at the column B. The waves swept away Meghna. In this sentence, the waves are our subject. They are doing something. Yes, the waves are sweeping away Meghna. So, by comparing these two sentences, we got a clear indicator. When subject is active, subject is doing some work, then our verb is in active voice. If our subject is not doing anything, he is passive, our subject is passive, then it is passive voice. Again, next sentence. Alma's grandfather was hit on the head. Alma's grandfather was hit. Grandfather didn't hit anything, but he was hit by something. Grandfather did nothing. Something hit Alma's grandfather on the head. Here something is our subject. Something hit the grandfather. So dear students, I feel you got some information about active and passive voice. Now you can identify which sentence is in active voice and which is in passive voice. Let's try to understand from the exercise. Number 1. Someone stole my bicycle. It is active or passive? Someone stole. Someone is our subject and he has stolen the bicycle. So it is active because subject is doing the work. The tires were deflated by the traffic police. The tires is our subject. The tires did something? No, nothing. Only the traffic police did something. Traffic police is our object here, but tire is our subject. Tires are doing nothing. They are passive, so it is passive voice. I found it last night in a ditch near my house. I found it. I is our subject. I did something. Yes, I found something. So, our subject I is active. That's why this voice is active voice. This sentence is in active voice. It had been thrown there. It had been thrown there. It is our subject. It did something? No. It had been thrown by somebody. It did nothing. So our subject is passive. That's why it is passive voice. My father gave it to the mechanic. My father is subject. Did my father did something? Yes. My father gave it to the mechanic. My father is subject and subject is active, doing something. So it is active voice. The mechanic repaired it for me. The mechanic repaired it for me. In this sentence, the mechanic is subject and it is doing something, it is repairing something. So our subject is active, that's why this sentence is in active voice. Dear students, once again I want to tell you, active voice, a verb is said to be in active voice when our subject is active, our doer is active, subject is doing something. And if our subject is passive, our subject is not doing anything, then the verb is said to be in passive voice. Once again, the definition. What is a voice? A voice is that form of verb. Voice is form of verb which shows the status of a subject and object in a sentence, means which shows whether subject is active or object is active. If our subject is active, then voice is active voice. If our subject is passive, then our voice is passive voice. And remember one more thing, dear students, in passive voice there will be family member and verb's third form. Verb's third form is past participle, third form of the verb. In a passive voice, verb's third form will be there 100%. And what is B family? In B family, there are 8 members. Be, is, am, are, was, were, being and been. Out of these 8 members, any one member will be there and verb's third form will be there. Then definitely your sentence will be passive voice only. If B family's member and verb's third form is not there, then definitely it will be active voice. I hope all of you got it. Any doubt you can ask me. I am available in the group. Thank you.